Okay, I have a Schlage 5-pin KIK lock. Has a sidebar in it. You can see the pins fall down, go up. See them fall down, go up. This lock generally is not a hard lock to open, but it is a very hard lock to get back together, in my opinion. I know I've already opened one and disassembled it just to see how it's set up. It has a sidebar in it also, but it doesn't really have pins and springs in it like the normal Schlage lock. Okay, let's use top of the keyway, and let's start the front of the lock. Sometimes this plug will try to slide out on you when you get it to a certain point of opening it. I have removed the clip on the back since I do not have a key for this lock. Okay, see it's tried to slide out on me then, so it's partially opened. Got to get the pins lined up for the sidebar. Whoops. Try to slide out on me again. Okay, there it is, open on pin 5. Okay, we'll maybe just do a partial disassembly of this lock because it is going to be a little contrary to get back together. So let's just slide this out. See if we can do it without it all falling apart. Whoops. Okay, it's going to fall apart on us anyway, I believe. This is a sidebar, and it does have all 5 pins in the lock. Let's see if we can get this back in. Don't know whether we can or not. If we can't, okay, we're not going to be able to get it back together like this. So let's go ahead and take it completely apart. Okay, this is a sidebar. It's on the lock. Now we also have a piece that fits on top. See if we can get it off. Alright, come on, there we go. Okay, I almost had it then. Alright, there is a piece coming off. And see, it's got springs in pushing on the pins. Okay, some pins have fallen out. Okay, there's all 5 of the pins that has come out. Okay, that's just a one of the springs, and you have more pins up in this area, I believe. Yeah, more different kind of pins. We'll take a close look at these pins in just a moment. Okay, there's all 5 of them. One of them fell out. See if we can get a little bit closer look at the way this lock is set up. Okay, it even has something in here that I'm not really familiar with. See if it'll come out. Okay, that one came out. Let's put it over here on that side. And okay, let's see if there's anything else that can come out there. I don't think so. I think that's everything that come out of the lock. Now you see why this thing's probably going to be impossible to get back together. Okay, let's look at this part here again. Okay, there's nothing else in this lock. Let's take a look at this. Okay, this has all the springs in it. So I'm not even going to attempt to put this lock back together or the other lock. I've got 4 or 5 more of these things, so anyway, this has to fit in these slots somehow. I have to figure it out if I ever try to put it back together. Okay, it sets down inside. Okay, it does have a couple of springs that holds that together. And then of course your sidebar will fit okay, over on this side, I believe. Yeah, in this area. So anyway, that's what we have in this Schlage KIK lock with a sidebar, 5-pin. I appreciate you watching. Oh, let's look at the pins a little closer if we can. I've never been into one of these type of locks before. But anyway, basically this is what it consists of. Get that spring back up there. Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.